You're watching now English Talks and Easy English with Mr. Ahmed. English practice. Listen and repeat. I wish you a good luck. 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 Let me tell you something. 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 I am sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry. I know your dad. I know your dad. I know your dad. I know your dad. Why didn't you come home? 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 I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Did you call anybody? 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 I want to show you something. I want to show you something. I want to show you something. Do you have any questions? Do you have any question? Do you have any question? Do you have any question? Let me show you the way. 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 Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. You let that happen. 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 Call me if something happens. 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 Here you are. 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 Don't be late. 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 Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry. I am not in a hurry. I am not in a hurry. What exactly do you want? 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 Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Shut your mouth. 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 Would you help me with my work? 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 Why are you silent? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? Why are you silent? Why are you late? Why are you late? Why are you late? Why are you late? Don't be late again. Don't be late again. Don't be late again. Thank you for watching and listening.